Local news for Friday the 16th of August. Aratoi Wairarapa Museum of Art and History in Masterton marks its 50th anniversary with several celebrations beginning this weekend. Aratoi currently welcomes about 50,000 visitors each year, hosts 25 to 30 exhibitions annually, and first opened its doors in 1969. Police are encouraging firearm owners to attend a prohibited firearms amnesty and buyback collection event. The event will be held in Masterton at the Miniature Gun Club at Colt Street between 10am and 3pm both Saturday and Sunday. Emergency services attended an incident at the Matakona River mouth yesterday. Police were called about 2pm after a group of whitebaiters were swept into the water by a large wave. All people returned to the shore, however one person has sadly died following the incident due to a suspected medical event. And finally in sport, the Dalford men's hockey team will head to Wellington this weekend to take on Hutt United for the Premiership final, while the women will play for bronze against Victoria University. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.